I had heard about Rubenstein, and the fact that there was a whole school focused on the environment and making change in the environment made me really inclined to choose this as a place to go to school. My name is Julia Ang Heth. I'm a senior in the Rubenstein School studying sustainability, ecology, and policy, and I'm from San Anselmo, California, which is just north of San Francisco.
My name is Zach Puritz. I am from Richmond, Virginia, a current senior in the Rubenstein School with a major in sustainability, ecology, and policy.
My name is Carmela Bontempo. I am a senior forestry major at the University of Vermont, and I'm originally from Massachusetts.
I wanted to make active change in the environmental world once I graduated.
And I honestly just kind of kept coming back to the University of Vermont.
On my resume, I always credit all the fieldwork and lab work I did through Rubenstein. They really put you through it. Everyone takes this class called NR 1010, NR 1020, so it's a freshman class, and you have a lab once a week.
So you get to go out there and dip your toes into the world of actually conducting field work.
They take you to really cool places. I've been to town forests, I've been to mountains, I've been to state parks. They really want you to experience all different types of environments. I've been able to use those skills building up, and it's wow, I actually am learning something, and these skills are going to be used after I graduate too.
My name is Peter Newman, and I'm Dean of the Rubenstein School of Environment and Natural Resources. One of the things that makes our core curriculum special is that we've really invested in it being experiential. And that is a key part of University of Vermont, is hands-on learning. Using examples that are local, you get to learn about ecology. You get to learn about the cultural history of that place and the interplay of the two. It also helps students ground themselves in where they are. It's planting your feet and saying that I live here, this is my home here. You're building a community at the same time as you're learning. And when you blend those two things together, really great learning happens.
My name is Emma. I graduated from UVM in 2024. The level of community that I felt at UVM, I really valued putting myself out there and joining all the clubs I could join and meeting all the people I could meet. I came away with so many friends, so many professional and personal relationships with my professors. And just every day that I would walk in the Aiken Center, I would see people that I know and feel welcomed. Every day I find myself thinking back to things that I learned in college and applying that to my position now. All the lab classes, I really use these skills on a day-to-day basis in my job now. So I'm a forester on the Superior National Forest in Ely, Minnesota, spending every day out in the field, marking trees, estimating volume, and setting up sales. So it's a dream job.
My name is Rachel Tobler. I graduated in 2023. They emphasize heavily community interactions, and even when you're a freshman, they have classes that focus on community partnerships.
We are going to be working on the community garden bed expansion project. Another project is going to be the bittersweet removal.
I'm Sarah Mell. I use they, them pronouns, and I am the experiential and community-based learning coordinator at the Rubenstein School. I help students access opportunities for internships and research experiences outside of their classroom experiences. Overwhelmingly, students who participate in internships and research understand themselves as not just members of this kind of ecosystem, but as partners with it to care for and steward and keep it safe.
This past October, I got accepted as the stormwater coordinator for the town of Shelburne. I really wanted to focus on building a relationship with the university because it's such a great resource to have, especially as a town government. And we're actually going to get 2 interns this summer that are going to help us with our stormwater infrastructure, and I'm really excited to build that connection.
My name is Soham Mehta and I'm a conservation biologist from Mumbai, India. I completed my undergraduate degree in wildlife and fisheries biology with honors at UVM in 2024. As a field conservation biologist, I get to spend a lot of time outside in nature. And while I'm outside, I get to see beautiful things, and one way to document it is through wildlife photography. And it allowed me to document just amazing interactions between species, between people and nature, and when I'm telling stories about my fieldwork and about my science, I can complement these scientific stories with photography and visual storytelling. Currently, I'm a master's candidate in the Department of Ecology, Evolution and Environmental Biology at Columbia University. For my master's research, I'm conducting an interdisciplinary study in collaboration with the World Wildlife Fund, Peru. I think the Rubenstein School was very welcoming to me in terms of not only the academic setting, but as well as how I would interact with my peers in a social setting. I was able to connect with a lot of peers who might come from different backgrounds but had the same passion like me in the environmental field.
Scientific knowledge, whether coming from labs, the field, or the voices of indigenous communities, provides a compass pointing toward truth, and that truth is dependent on strong leadership from all of us. It lives in your research, it lives in your resilience, in your fieldwork, your debates, and your willingness to take our mission question with you into the world. How can we unleash empathy, passion, innovation, and creativity to heal and radically change human environment systems in a just, equitable, and ecological direction? Our answer to this question, of course, is sitting right in front of us. It is you. You are the ones unleashed to help heal this world we live in. You have the passion, you have the empathy, you have the innovation, you have the creativity to heal and radically change human environment systems in a just, equitable, and ecological direction.
A student entering the Rubenstein School has a great chance to really understand the whole field. Having an interdisciplinary faculty working together. We know that some of the thorniest problems in the world take multiple disciplines to unravel. That's what we do here. We bring people together to solve problems.